Hello, welcome to the Post-16 High Needs Learning Pack. This is pack number 1. I'm just going to take you through some of the things that are in this pack. As you can see on the overview, we're covering 4 main areas of learning in pack 1. The first area is English. Secondly, we have maths. We'll then move on to some independence work, and finally some lessons on PSHE. So let's look at English first. In English, during pack 1, we're going to ask you to do a range of different things. The first one is looking at writing sentences about yourself and try and even make your own paragraphs. Think about how you would describe yourself and add some detail there. Then we're going to write about some shops and going shopping. What sort of things do you buy when you go shopping? What do you need to buy and what do you want to buy? Next, you're going to think about how we make a jam sandwich. Now, there are several steps and we'd like you to write a set of instructions on how to make a jam sandwich. Finally, we've got some non-fiction texts for you to have a read of and then answer some questions about what you've read. Secondly, you're going to move on to some maths lessons. Again, we'll be working on a range of different math skills in this pack. First of all, you'll be looking at 2D shapes. You'll have some pictures of 2D shapes and we want you to try and match them up to the names. So for example, it might be triangles, squares, pentagons, circles and other things. We'll also ask you to look at estimating. This is where you make a good guess about something without actually measuring or knowing the answer. This is a really useful skill in life. Then you're going to use Numicon to work on addition, and that will help you practice how we add numbers up and get our answer. We're also going to ask you to look at coins. It's very important that we know which coins are which so that when we pay for things, we know we have the right money. So we'll ask you to match up some coins to their pictures. We're also going to look at positional language and play a game with that, so that should be lots of fun. In independence, we'd like you to look at your independence skills around all sorts of areas, again, that will be very useful to you in adult life. You're going to look at how we stay healthy, draw things that make a person healthy, practice brushing your teeth, and then keep a record to see if you manage to do that well for a whole week. We're also going to look at your fitness. You'll do some exercises using just your body weight, so you won't need any special equipment. And finally, we're going to look at healthy eating and how you can choose foods that particularly will keep you healthy over ones that are perhaps a bit less healthy. In your PSHE lessons, you'll be looking at your emotions. Our emotions are very important. They are all about how we are feeling. So think about different ways that you feel in different situations. Sometimes you might feel happy. Other times it might be sad, worried, or even angry. You'll look at how we look when we feel those emotions and which of those emotions are positive and which ones are negative. You'll then have a think about how you can move from feeling a negative emotion into feeling a positive emotion, and using strategies such as your zones of regulation in school, which include things like going for a walk or even taking deep breaths. Have fun with the pack and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.